S25, S21.
Samsung Galaxy S25 versus 21. Which one is wider? Oh, they look exactly the same. 4K 60 front-facing camera. A bit brighter on the S25. Check out the sky. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will in both of them. When I'm out of the frame, should compensate. Alright. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? Why would you need autofocus in front one? Well, for example, if I want to show you some details. Like this. Oh, it is windy. They both have the same beautiful autofocus, so tons of details. It looks identical. 4th generation further. Anyway, video stabilization. Maybe it's a bit wider on the 25. No. Can we switch lenses during the recording? Yes, we can. Bam and bam in both of them. But in 60 frames per second, you can switch between all the lenses in the S25 and only 2 wide angle and the main in S21. You cannot go to the telephoto. In 4K 60, in 4K 30 is available. So that's the difference. Alright, do we have autofocus in a wide angle lens? No, we don't. There's none. So it's all the same. You see? No autofocus. But video stabilization. A vlogging style. If you're on a vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. Alright. Switching to the main lens. Wait. Apparently you cannot switch in S21 at all in 4K 60. Okay, so correction, you cannot switch in 4K 60. This is the main lens. How quick is the autofocus? Quick in both of them. Details great in both of them. Alright. How quick and how good is actual... Oh, it's getting windy, so have to hurry up. Very close to each other. It's a round object, so a difficult subject to focus on. But S21 is killing it. Nice! I thought it would be way worse, but it isn't. Alright, what about the telephoto? Telephoto, you have to switch to the 30 frames per second in S21 because it doesn't have telephoto in 60, unfortunate. So maybe a bit choppy, but that's because of a different frame rate. Going to the maximum, 12 and 12. Oh, that's a huge difference. I think so. Commenting when I see on the smartphone. Oh, definitely a difference. And if we go to like a vehicle, yeah, the difference. In the realm of photos, the differences are so small that I will leave you with those pictures and I will come back to you in a second.
Conclusion, and the biggest upgrade we've seen, is switching lenses during the recording. The image itself is a bit better in s25, and of course more frame rate in 8K. Other than that, Galaxy series. See you next video. Bye.